Barking up the wrong tree. Meaning, accusing or criticizing the wrong person. Example, he thought I was responsible for the mess, but he was barking up the wrong tree. Walking on thin ice. Meaning, engaging in a risky or dangerous situation. Example, trying to negotiate with the angry mob felt like walking on thin ice. Hit the nail on the head. Meaning, expressing something accurately or correctly. Example, her explanation hit the nail on the head, clarifying the entire situation. Bite the bullet. Meaning, facing a difficult situation bravely. Example, despite his fear, he decided to bite the bullet and confront his fear of public speaking. Piece of cake. Meaning, something very easy to do. Example, solving that math problem was a piece of cake for her. Raining cats and dogs. Meaning, raining heavily. Example, we had to cancel the picnic due to the rain that was raining cats and dogs. Put your best foot forward. Meaning, making your best effort in something. Example, during the job interview, she put her best foot forward to impress the interviewer. In hot water. Meaning, being in trouble or facing a difficult situation. Example, he found himself in hot water when he couldn't meet the deadline. Break a leg. Meaning, good luck. Example, before going on stage, the actors wished each other to break a leg.
Caught between a rock and a hard place. Meaning, being in a dilemma to choose between two difficult options. Example, she was caught between a rock and a hard place when she had to decide between two job offers. Beat around the bush. Meaning, avoiding the main topic. Example, instead of giving a direct answer, he kept beating around the bush. All in the same boat. Meaning, in the same difficult situation together. Example, during the power outage, we were all in the same boat, trying to find candles. Birds of a feather flock together. Meaning, people with similar interests with each other. Example, they became friends quickly as birds of a feather flocked together. On cloud nine. Meaning, extremely happy or joyful. Example, after receiving the promotion, she was on cloud nine for days. not my cup of tea. Meaning, something that you don't enjoy. Example, football isn't my cup of tea, I prefer playing cricket.